Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for watching. I had gone to Dollar Tree this past Sunday and got really overly excited with the shopping, to be honest. I haven't been to Dollar Tree in so long. I might have gone a little overboard. I went there to get a birthday card for my nephew, and I went there for Pillsbury yellow cake, and then I found a whole bunch of other things that I thought I needed. I went crazy with the Easter candy for the boys. Everything there is $1.25, as you know. It's not really $1 anymore. Still a good deal. I don't know if some of the candies were the best deal, but I'm going to do something for the kids with all this for Easter. Monday, I went to Aldi's. I'm super addicted to finding these red stickers now. Got some chives. I grew these last year. Just going to sprinkle that in the garden. Got this flatbread. Never tried it, but it was 50% off. Then I went to my local supermarket, Stop and Shop, and I found this meat on sale. I don't know, I'm like looking for deals wherever I go now. Food is a good thing, but sometimes when I find deals for items that I don't need, then obviously it's not a good thing. But I'm really addicted to finding a sale anywhere. So this is my Monday food shopping. Forgot to mention I had purchased these two canisters or containers at Aldi's on Monday. One is holding sugar and the other one I put my tea in. I thought they were really cute. I had gone to Walmart during the week to get a water bottle and a mouth guard. Wound up getting a strawberry and rosemary plant. One of my neighbors were kind enough to give us bread that a client had gave them. I froze the 2 bagels. The other bread is gone by now, and the kids loved pita chips. So we have gone to H-Mart before, but never to this one, and it had such a huge selection of everything, and they had counters that offered different foods. Sorry for the slow motion video, but I really had to show you this clip either which way. Yeah, we're definitely going to make a second, third, fourth trip back here. This is our to-go-to H-Mart from now on, and I'm going to make a longer video just dedicated to this H-Mart, and hopefully we get to try everything. We purchased a few items that you'll see later on in this video, but if you have an H-Mart near you, wow, you guys really should definitely check it out. They offer so much Asian. It is a Korean supermarket, but it offers a lot of different Asian stuff in general. And their cooked items and baked items are really good as well. So these are the items that I purchased on that trip. If you look in the description below, I will give a detail of everything that I purchased from H-Mart and everything else I purchased in this video as well. We love going to Ikea as a family. I feel like they offer so many things. Years ago, I used to let my kids hang out in the play area. I'm not sure if they still have that, to be honest. I have to look into that next time now that we have another baby. But yeah, they always have such cute stuff. Yeah, so I'm just going to give you guys a little tour of everything that we saw that day on our short trip to Ikea. Dan, watch out. You get the sink. I love the gold fixtures. This is so nice. That blue is amazing. Our bathroom upstairs has a similar design. The tiles are similar, but we have them on the floor, not the wall. And I did wind up purchasing the baby this pink little blanket that was like $10. The little dogs on it is so adorable. It's a duvet cover. And this is my favorite section in any store that always gets me in trouble. And I bought items that I probably did not need, but now they have a new home in my house. Ikea's veggie hot dog is amazing. If you guys have not tried it, you have to. So this is everything that I purchased on this trip. Everything will be in the description box with the price and, you know, the description of the item. But I just got a few items on this trip, to be honest. I really only went there to get one thing and to look at something, and I did not purchase that one thing, and I couldn't find that other thing I went to look for. But yeah, and these smell so good. It smells like a bonfire. I love it. And then I got the baby some forks and spoons she needed. I love these lanterns. This is for the baby. Oh, this is a mason jar, which I'm going to use probably for my hot sauce. I have one already, but I had to get a second one. This is for the baby to go with her duvet cover for her crib. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, and look out for more videos like this.